So to start this video, I'm going to show you how to get the tab cover off. So first of all, we took the coil cover off, which is up there. But it's easy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One at the back. 5mm Allen key head bolts. You take them off. Take the oil cap off. PCV valve. You just pop that out. It's down there. And then the brake booster hose. It's not a bad idea to move that out of the way, make it easier. And then I've got the plugs out just because I need to turn the motor over easier so I can get the flex plate bolts out. But so that's how you do that. And then the next step you've got to remember is to take these guys out. Little 7mm bolts, both sides. Take them out. Then you can get these 10mm. There's 6 there. And you've got an E-Torx T40. I don't know if it's going to work, but T40 E-Torx or Torx? No, actually Torx. Sorry, not E-Torx. E-Torx are the sockets. So Torx T40. Take those two out. Then yeah, I'll show you the next step. Almost forgot to. You have to take the throttle body off, which has 4 5mm Allen keys as well. The other 2 are under there somewhere. You got to take that off. So we started out with the BFNA rocker cover. And we started sanding with some 240 grit. Then going to lay some primer down. There's going to be a black engine enamel, high temp. And the second one is our colour, which is a very metallic blue, nice dark blue. Then we've got some high temp caliper clear, and we did a test run over here on this engine mount, which I reckon came out pretty good. So sanded it. Now we have laying a primer down, just a flat black, to build up some shitty spots on there so I can sand it back. I've got a bolt in the coil cover bolts holes just to make sure the threads don't get messed up. Lay a few coats of this down, then I can wait for it to dry and sand it. So 3 coats down, 3 thick coats with 1 dust coat, just to make sure that everything's going to stick to where you want it to. And yeah, it's looking pretty good now. Nice and flat. So 1 dust coat, then 3 thick coats, whole can. Use the whole can on this one. So now I can let it harden up and then give it a light sand with some 600, and then can lay some colour down after that. Righto, so after letting it dry in the sun, I gave it a quick little wet sand with some 600 grit, just to knock the tops off and shit and make it really flat where you're gonna see it. So mainly around the front area, down the sides, basically where you're going to see where the coil cover doesn't cover. And I've got one light mist coat on with our blue. So yeah, do a few more of them, and yeah, we'll see what it looks like after that. So I did 1 mist coat then 3 dark coats of the blue, and now I've already done just a real light mist coat of clear, and yeah, we'll get 3 big ones on there and see what it looks like afterwards. It's looking pretty good so far. Nice blue. Righto, so 3 coats later, and here we are. It's got a lot of metallic in it, and now it's all clear coated, ready to go back on the car.